ladies and gentlemen, to the ultimate adventure machine, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler, presented by more Chrysler Jeep Fiat. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into all the exciting features this iconic vehicle has to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The 2024 Wrangler maintains its classic rugged design, but with some sleek updates. From the iconic 7-slot grille to the bold wheel arches, this vehicle screams capability and style. Inside, the Wrangler combines comfort and technology to enhance your driving experience. With available leather seats, a touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, you'll feel right at home whether you're on or off the road. It's not just about looks. The Wrangler is built to tackle any terrain thanks to its high ground clearance and available four-wheel drive systems. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising on the highway, the Wrangler delivers a smooth and confident ride. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2024 Wrangler offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a V6, and even a hybrid variant for those looking to maximize fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Now, perhaps the most exciting feature of the 2024 Wrangler is its versatility. With multiple roof options, including a removable hardtop and a soft top convertible, you can customize your Wrangler to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're soaking up the sun or seeking shelter from the elements, the Wrangler has you covered. So whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a city dweller, or somewhere in between, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler is ready to take you on your next adventure. You can view our selection at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.